Hey guys, welcome back to the Adams Winnie Ridge Farmer YouTube channel. I've got an idea for a video today, and what I'm going to be trying to do is try to make a chicken tractor. So what we've had our chickens is, I made a big chicken tractor and it's turned into a chicken coop. We've tried to move it numerous times and I just keep breaking it because it's been there for about 2 years now. So I'll show it to you, and then I'm going to kind of make the exact same thing but really smaller. I think it can be done. So I'll show you what we got. So this is what I come up with about 2 years ago. And it's worked great for us, except I can't move it. And as you can see, the chickens and ducks knock their feet over daily, and I have to keep giving them hay, which we have plenty of, like square bales, and I actually just been feeding them this loose hay. But I want to make a little small chicken tractor because gardening season is going to come to an end eventually, and I want to feed them all the scraps from the corn and all that, just drag it over there. Plus, I have a nice little strip beside my driveway that's just grass that I have to bush hog or mow, and it's just aggravating, so I'm going to put them on it. So hopefully this works. So what I've got is a few 2x4s, which should be enough. Pretty sure these are 8 feet long. So my plan is kind of like make a 4x8 chicken tractor. We'll just cut this one up, those cross beams. Then I'll make some bracing out of this one. So let me get this wood cut up. So all I did is made a few pocket holes in it to keep it a little bit more sturdier, I think. Especially doing chicken coop, especially something's gonna be drug around a lot, because if you go in the grain, it makes a weaker thing. But I don't know if I'm gonna put braces on the corner or not. That one I did not, and it's been fine, so we'll see. So it's been a little bit since the last clip, but what I've done now is I've took 2 panels, I cut them in half, tack welded them in a few sections into every joint. Folded the panels over and stapled them to the side rails. I did end up putting corner braces in, and then what I done is I took this back part and I cut another cattle panel, laid it up there, tack welded it also, and each spot. Then I took chicken wire, covered this back. This is 2 different layers. It's got upper section and bottom section. And I've seen some people take zip ties, which I start with 2 zip ties just to hold it up until I can get started. Just cut the ends of your wire. When you overlap it here, cut the wire about 1 inch or so, maybe 2 inches. Then you can just cut those in the middle, like right here, and just fold them around and twist it all the way around, and that saves you on zip ties. I mean, that's what I do, but you do what you want. So I've got 2 more layers to put on, and then we'll build the door. So a few minutes later, this is what I've come up with. We got all the wire on. Got the door. Nice little pull rope. It's light enough I can pull it. I mean, it's on gravel, so it slides pretty easy right now. It's on concrete, rather. I just got to put a tarp on it. The door is just kind of a quick hitch. Pop it right off. So what I done is I just took my drill bit, made some notches on each side. Door slides right in. And take a bungee cord. Got a nice tight gap. Don't think any animals will get in there. And so, well, that's the chicken tractor. Thank y'all for watching.